Hello everyone. Welcome to Peanut Health Island. Nice to meet you all. Today, we're going to tell a little story. The mystery of the sounds of the little mole and the seashell. If this is your first time here, feel free to follow our video channel. Let's get started. On a sunny day, the little mole, Xiaozhu, came to the beach. The breeze was gentle. He heard a mysterious sound. It seemed to be coming from the distant waves. Xiaozhu was curious about the sound. He wanted to find its source. As the sound became clearer, Xiaozhu searched around. He looked down and found a glowing seashell. The sound was coming from there. The little mole, Xiaozhu, picked up the shell and placed it near his ear. He heard different sounds. There was the sound of the waves, the sound of the wind, and some magical notes he had never heard before. Suddenly, the little seashell spoke. "Hello, little mole. I am the seashell that brings the sounds of the ocean. Let's explore the secrets of these sounds together." Xiaozhu the mole was surprised, but quickly nodded in agreement. So he and the seashell headed to the shore, ready to begin their journey of sound exploration. When Xiaozhu and the seashell reached the edge of the waves, they heard the sound of fish swimming and waves gently lapping the shore. It all seemed so magical. The little seashell told Xiaozhu, "Every sound has its own story. If we go further, we'll hear even more different sounds." So they stepped onto the coastal rocks and went to more distant places. They arrived at a peaceful bay. There, soft musical sounds were heard. Xiaozhu closed his eyes and listened carefully. Suddenly, a deep sound broke the silence. Xiaozhu was startled. The little seashell comforted him, saying, "Don't worry, that's the sound from the depths of the ocean. Let's go and listen." Xiaozhu and the seashell came to a dark underwater cave. The cave echoed with deep sounds. They carefully continued forward. As they went deeper into the cave, the sound grew louder. Suddenly, a huge sound echoed. It was like the breath of the deep ocean. Xiaozhu and the seashell held their breath. Xiaozhu finally understood. These sounds were actually the ocean, the wind, and animals, creating a symphony of nature. He and the seashell were both amazed. Finally, Xiaozhu and the little seashell became good friends. They decided to listen to more sounds of nature together in the future and share their discoveries. From that day on, Xiaozhu and the seashell often went to the beach together. Each time, they found different sounds. Each time was a new adventure. At the end of the story, Xiaozhu and the seashell realized the world of sound is endless. Each sound has its own story, and their adventure had only just begun. That's the end of today's story. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment on what themes you'd like to hear. If you liked it, please share it with someone you care about, and feel free to follow the Peanut Health Island subscription account for more stories. See you tomorrow.